Wireless earbuds are becoming more advanced every day, but it's often hard to find a pair with great features that don't cost a lot. That's where the CMF Buds Pro 2 comes in. These earbuds are designed to give you high-quality performance at a price that won't empty your wallet. CMF is a brand created by the company Nothing, and they've already impressed people with their earlier products. In today's video, we will find out if CMF Buds Pro 2 are budget earbuds with ANC or not. The CMF Buds Pro 2 sports a square case with rounded corners, reminiscent of the CMF Buds launched earlier. The case features a matte finish that resists fingerprints and houses a unique smart dial for convenient controls. Available in dark gray, light gray, orange, and blue, these earbuds offer a touch of style to suit various preferences. The earbuds themselves are compact and lightweight, weighing just 4.9 grams each. With a matte finish on the stem and a glossy body, they strike a balance between aesthetics and functionality. The IP55 rating ensures protection against dust and water splashes, making them suitable for light workouts or unexpected rain showers. At the heart of the CMF Buds Pro 2 is a dual driver system consisting of a 11mm dynamic driver with titanium coating for deep bass and a 6mm tweeter with a planar diaphragm for crisp treble. This setup covers an impressive frequency range of 20 to 40 kHz, promising a wide soundstage. Out of the box, these earbuds are tuned for bass lovers, with the ultra bass mode enabled by default. While this may appeal to some, others might find it overwhelming. Fortunately, the Nothing X app allows for extensive customization, including EQ presets and a custom equalizer to fine-tune the audio to your liking. The Buds Pro 2 supports high-quality codecs like LDAC, offering high-res audio capabilities for those who prioritize sound quality. One of the standout features of the CMF Buds Pro 2 is its active noise cancellation (ANC) capability. Claiming to block ambient sound up to 50 dB, these earbuds perform admirably in various environments, from office chatter to public transport noise. The ANC adapts to your surroundings, with options for low, mid, high, and adaptive modes. The transparency mode is equally impressive, allowing you to stay aware of your environment when needed. The earbuds also feature wind noise reduction technology, enhancing call quality in outdoor settings. The CMF Buds Pro 2 comes packed with features typically found in more expensive models. The unique smart dial on the case allows for customizable controls, including volume adjustment, track skipping, and ANC toggling. This innovative approach to earbud control sets the CMF Buds Pro 2 apart from its competitors. Touch controls on the earbuds themselves offer additional functionality, though the lack of single tap gestures might be a minor inconvenience for some users. Battery performance is solid, with the earbuds offering up to 6.5 hours of playtime with ANC enabled, extending to 26 hours with the charging case. Disabling ANC can boost these figures to 11 hours and 43 hours, respectively. The earbuds also support fast charging, providing up to 3 hours of use from a 10-minute charge. The CMF Buds Pro 2 features Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, ensuring a stable and efficient wireless connection. The pairing process is straightforward, with fast pair support for Android devices. The earbuds are compatible with both Android and iOS devices, with the Nothing X app available on both platforms for advanced features and customization. Priced at approximately £59, the CMF Buds Pro 2 offers an impressive array of features typically found in more expensive models. While the build quality might not match premium offerings, it's more than adequate for the price point. The CMF Buds Pro 2 are a significant advancement in budget earbuds, offering a great mix of features, performance, and affordability. While they may not surpass flagship models, they provide excellent value. With some customization of the sound profile and controls, these earbuds deliver impressive audio quality. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share your thoughts about the CMF Buds Pro 2 in the comments section below.